Look at this 15-second clip, and I'll show you how it can be done with just one light and a few of these reflectors. The goal here was to shoot on location and to keep things very simple so that we could do everything with only one or two lights. Here this light is putting a little bit of, this reflector is putting a little bit of light on the table. This other one is moving light to the other side to light that saw down there from this little reflector. This number 5 is lighting that strip that's showing the tools. Now I'm going to turn off the front reflector, which was a 50 by 50 to be used as a fill. Looks okay, but let's turn it on because it's always good to do things with a bit of fill. If there was a real client, they would make me do that, so I did it. Now I'm ready to shoot in a clean small set without a lot of stands, scrims and flags cluttering up the area. So now let's turn off that front fill. You can see where the light is going. That's one light that's making, I think, 5 or 6 sources of light. Now over here, even more simple. One light, 2 reflectors, one for the back, which creates a nice backlight like it was coming in from a skylight or the window. And that whole saw, that whole stretch was being lit from one number 5 reflector. Here again, same, number 5, that puts a strip down on the wood, and a number 3, that's for him, for the backlight. It's very easy to work with that. That number 5 is just so useful, so versatile for doing things like that. One reflector makes that very nice spread. It's good for people, objects,